Curves, 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 curves,
Yeah.
curves, 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 curves.
Hand and can,
And can.
more curves. So Carl, does VELUX sell round skylights?
No. No, we don't. That's the magical effect we make with a round tube on a square skylight. We make a plaster mould with a soft edge. We make a square section to follow the square skylight, push it up, fix it off, and no one knows.
So on the roof, these are square,
It's a square.
and underneath they're these beautiful round circular shafts. Yeah, I love how unique this is, and it's the only house this season that's got this feature, and I think it's so special. Carl, Alicia and Sunny had exactly the same roof layout as Hand and Can, but we've got a completely different result here.
Yeah, 100%.
What did they do differently?
Yeah, so these guys went wide on the trusses. They hugged the truss all the way up, made a huge void, and banked the three together.
And it's letting so much light in above this kitchen bench, which I love.
Yeah, daylight above a kitchen bench changes your world. We've done this at our house. This is where you spend your time, family, kids, meal, unpacking the day, the whole lot. This is the hub, and this is where you need your light. If you like what you see on this season of The Block, click the link for a measuring quote.